Welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy, Lesson 6, Whitespace. It says, before we explore what we can do with variables, let's learn how to keep code organized in Java. Whitespace is one or more characters, such as a space, tab, enter, or return, that do not produce a visible mark or text. Whitespace is often used to make code visually presentable. Java will ignore whitespace in code, but it is important to know how to use whitespace to structure code well. If you use whitespace correctly, code will be easier for you and other programmers to read and understand. This is something that I have been working on getting better, but it does help you keep track of where you are in the code, especially when things get nested within each other. It gets real ugly quick if it's not organized right. So the given code is poorly formatted. Place system.outPrintln is formatted on line 5 so that it is easier to read. We'll want to do that. So now we clearly can tell is formatted is a boolean of type false. And then under that we're printing this is formatted variable, which should print out false. So first we declare and initialize is formatted. Once that is initialized, we call it here, which will call this value. So we should get false printed out. Run that. We can see it printed out. So the important thing about this lesson is whitespace. You guys seen that it was like that? This would still work exactly the same if we ran this. You see? It's still printed out false. But it's just so much easier to read what's going on in the code here. So just remember that, whitespace. Use it to make your life easier, not harder. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.